A-list actor John Lloyd Cruz has officially ended his partnership with Maha Salvador's talent agency. Renowned actor John Lloyd Cruz is no longer represented by Crown Artist Management Inc., the talent agency founded by actress Maha Salvador. The confirmation came from Salvador herself during the renewal of her contract with popular beauty brand Beautyderm. According to Salvador, Cruz made the decision to step back from being actively involved in the entertainment industry. She shared that their professional relationship ended on good terms, as Cruz expressed his desire not to have showbiz as his primary job. Si Lloydie po, nung buntis ako, sabi niya, Madge, hindi naman ako nagtratrabaho. So nag-separate ways kami with respect naman. Na-decline rin po yung mga magagandang projects kasi focus din siya kay Elias. Hindi rin naman siya active now din po, she added, acknowledging that Cruz's priority is spending quality time with his child. John Lloyd Cruz, one of the most respected and talented actors of his generation, has maintained a relatively low profile in recent years. After taking a break from showbiz, he has occasionally appeared in select projects but has largely focused on his personal life. His decision to step away from Crown Artist Management reflects his desire to remain low-key and prioritize fatherhood. Apart from Cruz, Salvador also revealed that actress Miles Ocampo is no longer associated with Crown Artist Management. The talent agency recently marked its 4th anniversary, and Salvador expressed gratitude to those who continue to support their endeavors despite these changes. Nung nabuntis ako, thankful kami kay Ms. Vania Edrelan kasi naging parte na siya ng pamilya ng Crown. Sobrang smooth at sobrang ganda ng mga nangyayari sa Crown. Masaya kami dahil may mga nagtitiwala sa management namin kahit kaka-start pa lang namin, Salvador said. Despite the departure of two well-known talents, Crown Artist Management continues to thrive as it remains dedicated to nurturing and managing promising artists. Salvador, as its founder, remains optimistic and grateful for the unwavering support from their partners and the industry. Fans of John Lloyd Cruz continue to hope for his return to the limelight, but for now, the celebrated actor seems content with prioritizing his personal life and responsibilities as a father.